guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do another Valentine's makeup look, and I'm saying another just because we already did one. I think it was on the weekend, but if you missed that video, I'll leave the link down below on the description box. But today we're going to do the traditional makeup look for Valentine's Day with new makeup, which I'm super excited for starting this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. What I'm going to do is, of course, apply it on my T-zone, start prepping my face. And if you guys saw the other Valentine makeup tutorial, you guys will know what I'm talking about. But I couldn't find the e.l.f. primer, the new one from e.l.f. I went to Target and I couldn't find it. It wasn't there. And then I look online and it's only at the e.l.f. website, Walmart, Ulta. And I noticed I couldn't get it on time, so that's why I couldn't get the e.l.f. primer. Wait, I need my coffee. It's the first time I'm filming it this morning, so it's kind of strange to film in the morning. I'm going to use the red concealer for my dark circles. Of course, if you don't have dark circles or you don't need the red concealer, you can skip this part, but this girl really needs orange concealer for the dark circles. And actually I had a good night last night. Like, I didn't dream anything. I slept so good, like I couldn't even hear who farted in the night. So that's how good my sleep was. I'm going to use the Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer, and if you follow me since last year, this is in the shade Fair number 10, and I tend to use this one only when I have pimples or I need to cover them up, which is basically almost all the time. This concealer doesn't work for my eyes just because it's so creamy and light. It really works for my pimples, so I just kind of blend it, not fully, on my skin with my fingers, and it's just like butter on the skin, which is nice, and it just gives that extra coverage for your pimples. I need more coffee. This is good. Now we're gonna move on with a new makeup, which I'm so excited. It's a Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. I saw this and I was really pumped to use it, to try it. This is in the shade 110. That is sheer to light coverage, melts into the skin, naturally dewy glow. Really wanted to have something very light on the skin for these two Valentine's makeup look. Put this on the skin like that. But of course, if you want something medium coverage to full coverage, like, be my guest, use whatever you want to use to feel comfortable. How do you feel like it's better for your skin or for you, use it. But I really want these two makeup looks to have too much coverage on the face, so let's start blending. There's a lot of coconut, definitely smells a lot. It has electrolyte coconut water blend, no wonder. And prevents hydration loss. It has coconut water blend and vitamin C and E. Ooh, I like it when it has vitamin C. Oh my god, this has a lot of scent. Not really my exact shade. However, this is my issue. When I went to the drugstore, which I bought this at CVS, they only had 5 shades. So 2 shades were in the light shades. One was, I feel like this was the medium shade, which is the 110, and then 2 shades were on the dark shades side. So they didn't have that much shades. I don't know if at Ulta they have it or at their website, but if they only have 5 shades, it's like you don't have that much options. After that, we're gonna move on with concealer. And again, saw the other Valentine makeup tutorial, you guys will know what I'm talking about, but I couldn't get their concealer just because I'm gonna talk to you guys in codes because YouTube is very sensitive nowadays. But last week I got my third of you know what, so not feeling well during the weekend, so I can get the other concealer that we talked about on the last makeup tutorial. So I'm going to use again the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. This is in the shade Light Sand. Also going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Warmth. And I'm just gonna start blending. You guys know I love the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, but I really want to try something new. So if you guys have something that you like, any concealer that you guys love, especially if it's new or semi-new, let me know in the comments down below, because I really want to start using new concealers. But for concealers, I really like them to be into medium to full coverage, especially because this girl have dark circles, and help me with that, it will be nice. Something that I talk on the other makeup tutorial, and also I want to just mention right here, it's that I really wanted for these two Valentine makeup tutorial to be really like affordable and drugstore. I wanted to mix between high-end and drugstore, but I felt like the drugstore easier to get it. It's not necessarily has to be a drugstore, but like say a Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, and Rite Aid, you know, those drugstores or other stores like Target and Walmart, that it's easier to find certain products at the store. So I really ow, I poke my eye, ow, I poke my eye. I really feel like the sponge went into my eyeball. Let's move on to contour. I'm gonna contour my face with the Parquet Princess from Chart. Now again, I know I'm repeating on the other makeup tutorial, but to Sephora, and I couldn't get the Rare Beauty contour stick. I really wanted to try that one. I didn't have my shade, so, and I forgot to, no, I posted, no, I let you guys know through my Instagram, because I told you guys that I was gonna let you guys know on my Instagram. But I really want to go get it. When I find it, I'm gonna buy it because I really want to try it. After contouring the face, I'm going to use the new ColourPop blush from their ColourPop Valentine collection. Oh, this is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Okay. This is in the color Forever Yours. And you guys will see that we're gonna do a makeup look. I mean, 3 makeup looks. You guys know that when I purchase new makeup palettes, we always do 3 makeup looks. But for this channel, hopefully you guys gonna have that video on Friday. No, on Saturdays, you guys will see the Valentine makeup from ColourPop on Saturday. Oh my god, I feel like I put too much blush. I want to move on with the highlighter. I'm going to use the Rem Beauty highlighter. This is called Miss Mercury. Oh my god, it's falling apart. You guys know I love this shade since I bought the Beauty makeup. So I'm just gonna highlight my face, and this is not really a new highlighter. You guys know from the, like, we discussed it on the other makeup tutorial, that I couldn't find one that I really grabbed my attention, and the one that I wanted, I couldn't get it. So, but that's why we're using again the Rem Beauty. And I feel like any highlighter from the drugstore, we haven't had any like really new ones. We're gonna move on with the eyes, and I'm gonna use the Tres Luce palette, the I Am palette, and let's go with the shade that I love to set the concealer. So I'm gonna use the color Light from this palette. Remember, it's really important to set your eyes, because make your makeup smooth and much better before adding any eyeshadow colors, that whatever you want to use. And especially if you want to do a simple soft makeup look, you don't want to see any lines on your crease, on your lid, anywhere. Like for example, right here you guys can see this line, and it's because of the concealer. So it's really important to set the concealer. So just use a shade that is close or the exact concealer that you added. The eyes, remember, it's going to be very soft. So I'm going to use the Rem Beauty palette, Ariana Grande makeup line. This is the palette Principessa, and we're going to use the color Cannoli. And I'm going to start applying the color. I'm going to start applying cannoli on my crease. Remember, this is going to be a very simple makeup look. And start working the color. I really want to bring it almost to the inner corner. And I was just thinking that when is Ariana Grande gonna launch her other makeup line, because remember she announced it on social media that she has 4 chapters for her makeup line. So I was like, when is it? In March? Is it in April? Like, when is it that she's gonna launch the other makeup line? Like, I'm really excited. Like, just thinking about it, I'm super excited to see what she's gonna bring on the 2nd chapter, like she called it. But I was so surprised when she launched the 1st chapter of her makeup line, as we just didn't see 5 products or lashes. We saw lashes, mascara, lipsticks, palettes, liquid eyeshadows, I think glosses, eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, highlighter palettes, like almost everything that you can imagine that you can use on your makeup, to do your makeup. So I was so surprised with so many products that she launched. So I was like, so what else is going to be on the next 3 chapters left? And she's gonna bring the foundations, the concealers. Like, how is gonna be the packaging? Gonna be the same thing as this one, or is it gonna be the same thing as the packaging of the lipsticks, which you guys know I loved it so much? To a cat eye. So for the cat eye, I bought the new Physician Formula Matte Mon Noir Butter Eyeliner. Isn't this presentation so cute? It is so beautiful. It's like this baby blue, soft blue with the black. I really love the presentation. Resistant. I mean, of course, this is black. It says that it's a long-lasting matte application. Okay, so one thing that I noticed is that the tip of the wand, we can say, is horizontally. Now, I don't know how I feel about it, because usually it's like a pointy wand. You guys know that I love the e.l.f. eyeliner and the L'Oreal Matte Signature. Those are my 2 top favorite eyeliners. I'm not going to talk that much because I really need to concentrate. I was looking for a new eyeliner. I didn't know that Physician Formula launched a new one, because I was like, okay, so if I'm gonna do additional makeup look for Valentine's Day, I really need to find a new eyeliner besides the e.l.f. and the L'Oreal. So I was so excited when I saw this one. And by the way, this is the first time I buy something from Physician Formula. After that, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild black eyeliner. This is for me new. I don't know how long it has been out there, but this is the color Baby's Got Black, and apply it on waterline just to make, oh my god, I can't do this, just to make makeup look more intense on the top. Tend to, oh my god, I can't do this. I'm going to use the Maybelline the Colossal Curl Bounce mascara, and I didn't buy a new one because I feel like there wasn't a new one from the drugstore, and I feel like the Maybelline is like semi-new. So I'm going to on my upper lashes, and I mean, I already used this mascara. After the mascara, we're gonna let the mascara dry, and I'm gonna grab again the color Cannoli, and with a flat brush, I'm going to apply it underneath the eyes. I wanted to leave it, let's say, blank or without anything, but I feel like it really needs a pump of something. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And now I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lashes. It's not really, I feel like they're not actually like new lashes, but these are from Ardell. They're already out of the box, but because I use them for the other makeup tutorial, this is the Ardell Full Make Lashes, and these are the wispies. Recently I saw them at CVS. I bought a pair and I lost a lash, so I couldn't find it, so I went again to CVS. I feel like these lashes are dramatic. but still on the medium side. Still look soft, but still you have those long lashes. But of course, if you want to use like dramatic lashes or this kind of look, go ahead. Almost done with the makeup. So for the lips, I'm going to use the new Revlon Color Stay Matte Lid Crayon. So this is in the color Ruffle Feathers. Oh, this is such a cute name. This at Walgreens, and I was like, oh, they have a new Revlon lipstick, and I was like, oh, okay. That didn't really grab my attention, but then when I thought to do this video for you guys, I was like, okay, I need to find a red lipstick that is a drugstore. I said, oh, there's the new Revlon matte lipstick, where I think only 7 shades of this matte lid crayon. Color in. Oh my god, this is so weird. In person, like right now I'm looking at the mirror and it feels like the red is not actually the red from the cap. I don't know if you guys can see it or you guys see the same color as the cap, but in person the color is going towards more like a red orange color. And that's it. This is the final makeup look with the traditional red lip makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it, like how it feels on the skin. I just still feel like it smells like coconut. I don't know if like it's too much scent and I still have it around my nose, or it's still there, but you definitely have this strong scent of coconut. Don't mind, I like it, but if you're a person who doesn't like scent at all or even a tiny bit, this is gonna be too much. Issue is that we don't have that much shades with this Milani Glow Hydrating Tint. Hard to find your shade, especially if you're not at a range of those 5 shades of skin tint. But I really like it. It feels really good on the skin. I need to combine the 110 Glow and the other shade that's the darker skin tone. So I would need to buy those 2 and combine them to have my actual shade. The eyeliner is black. I like it. It has that little scent. Don't mind about the scent. However, I'm kind of nervous using the tip because it's not pointy, is horizontally. Now the Revlon, it feels creamy and doesn't really dry hard on your lips, so I really like it. However, I feel like it's not actually the color from the cap that it tells you, but I don't know how you guys are looking at it because I can't see myself on camera. But I really like it. I want to go and find if they have a nude shade, so hopefully they have it because I really like it and it's kind of fun. Color your lips as like a crayon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll leave my social media on the screen. Remember that I have Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.